Welcome to the Nagual Zone. This is Anaam. Today we have something that I thought would be very useful as an instruction in hunting one's own self-importance and this addiction we all have to believing our own bullshit. I did a video called The 3 Bullshits. That's on my channel. I suggest you go and watch that particular live I did. Very, very useful. You will know why I said that when you watch that video. So let's dive in. This is an email I received from some fella. Yo, what's up, Anaam? Yo, what's up, Anaam? Interesting. So that already sets the tone of the mindset of this guy. Yo, what's up, Anaam? Okay. All right. So we are now somehow family or related or something that's going on. I'm telling you, this guy's high on weed or something's going on here. This is not a mindset that bodes well in the email. I just wanted to reach out to you privately and say a couple of things that I felt called to say. Here you go. So here you go. Called to say, did he? Who called him to say this stuff? All right. First question. You bash white people very frequently. I find this hypocritical because you live in England, speak English, and the majority of your followers are white. Followers? Indeed. I'm a guru with many followers. Would you like to be my follower, oh listener? Do you consider yourself my follower? Obviously, this guy is outside the following. Looking in, so you're all involved now. Followers are white. I would have much more respect for you if you also called out Jewish ownership of the corrupt, parasitic class, Federal Reserve media, etc. So obviously he's in the know. This guy is probably, I will say that this is probably from Edward Snowden or Julian Assange, this email, because obviously this guy really knows stuff. He knows. But no, that would actually be a risk. Instead, you bash whites, which is very fashionable, comma and condoned. Nice English there. Comma and condoned by the media. I wonder why. Stop wondering. I'll tell you right now. I'm a Freemason, Scientologist, Illuminati member. What else? I am a Catholic Jesuit priest. I am a 33rd degree Freemason. Everything. I'm everything, man. So you can cease wondering right now. It's fine. I'm with the agenda and I love it. I'm also a elite member, by invitation only member of the WEF, which you might know, email fella, stands for World Economic Forum. So they send a private jet to me every weekend. I go there. But hardly brave or accurate. Okay, fair point. Secondly, the earth is round. Now, who cares and why this is so important for this guy? Who knows? The earth is round. You can tell this for yourself because of the blah, 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 and the blah, 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 blah. Okay. So 2 points this guy felt called to say. Okay. These are my couple of things. Indeed, I wanted to say. This is where it gets really interesting. I would not have made this video if this last sentence hadn't been there. Because you get haters, right? You just get trolls and haters, and that's fine. As a content creator, that's part of life, right? Not everyone will love what you say or do, and not everyone should love what you say or do. Everyone should have the freedom to express themselves as they wish. Now, the last bit is what got me to make this video, because I don't want you guys to fall into this trap. Don't do this. Don't be this guy. I am still interested in an apprenticeship if availability comes up, as I do find great value in your teachings, in your videos and classes. All the best. Now, he's wishing me all the best. Indeed, I really don't want your... I don't want your best, and I don't want your worst. In fact, just stay away. You are not... We don't mix. So I sent an email back saying, asking a very simple question. How did stating your opinions and taking the trouble to send the email actually help you in real life? Right? How did it help you become a better person? The reply comes back, and he's really put his foot in it now. My real life's fine, brother. Brother, now we're brothers. Yo, what's up, Anaam? We're brothers now. Amazing, isn't it? I just wanted you to hear that stuff. Oh, really? You did you? You wanted me to hear that stuff. Amazing. What, you, do I look like your fucking little bitch? Right? You can't hide from the truth of it that easy. Wow. Okay, well, I'm not the one hiding here, fella. Brother, I'm not the one hiding. Now, this email, this isn't personal to this guy. He's obviously a troll. He's probably high on something and feels that he can, just send emails like this and say what he needs to say. He's obviously got some real stuck energy in there that needs to come out. Fine. But I want you guys to tell me in the comments what you think about that last statement. I am still interested. And what do you think I did about his chances of apprenticeship? Let me know in the comments. I'll leave you with this one. It's a bit of a hilarious one for me because I get, you get hater emails, you get lovely emails, you get both. But rarely do I get gems of self-importance in this way. And then the final one, my real life's fine, brother. I just wanted you to hear that stuff. You can't hide from the truth of it that easy, man. That made me laugh. And I hope you find hilarity in it too. And if you think you have something to learn from someone, whoever it may be in your life, I would recommend have just 10% of the respect that is missing in this email, in this mindset. And there's a history. I have helped this fella, before personally. And just amazing. The earth is round, elephants are black, zebras have stripes, and just who cares, man? Who couldn't care less? You bash white people. Yeah. I have seen Indians and Chinese and Japanese whiter than white. He's completely missed the point. Anyway, don't be this person. Troll and hate all you like. No problem, okay? But then don't expect knowledge to honor you. Expect to remain ignorant and devoid of any knowledge or self-knowledge, and just be aware of where you are and the consequences of what you do and say. Don't be part of this infant civilization of entitled people who just, no respect left anywhere. They don't respect themselves, they don't respect others, and all they can manage is trolling opinions. So be very careful of your opinions because, first of all, really no one cares. Absolutely no one cares about your opinions, especially the people, situations, and environments where you feel you want to approach with an attitude of learning. Really keep your opinions away. Those opinions are really self-destructive. I warned again and again on my channel against opinion vomit. Don't do that. Don't make that mistake. Anyway, let me know in the comments what you think about my rambling and this email, and how you would have approached this situation in a different way. I would love to hear and learn how maybe your approach would have been different and even better than a simple question that I asked. And hope to connect with you soon. Have a great holiday season. I shall see you soon. Lots of love. Farewell.